Okay, hey guys. Today I'll be showing you guys how to factor simple trinomials. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to look at the left side where we have x squared, and we're going to think of two values that multiply to equal to 1 because there's an imaginary 1 over here. So that's going to be 1 and 1. And then we're going to look at the right side where we have a 6, and we're going to think of two values that multiply to equal 6. So the two options are going to be either 2 times 3, and then second one is 6 times 1. We want two values that are going to add to 5. So looks like the first option will add to 5. So I'm going to show you by going through it. So what we're going to do is we want to cross multiply both sides and then add them. So that's going to be 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 times 2, which is 2. That's going to be equal to 5. So we know that the factoring this way is going to be correct. So now how we're going to write the factor out is we're going to write it horizontally. So it's going to be x plus 2, and we're going to have x plus 3. So that's x plus 3. As you can tell, we just count this left side as the x, and then the right side corresponds to what we have over here. I'm going to do another question with you, and hopefully it makes it a little bit clearer. So again, on the left side we have x. That's going to be 1 times 1, and then we want to think of two values that multiply to give you 9. They're going to add to give you 10 in the end when we cross multiply them. So that should be 9. So the two options is 9 times 1, or it's 3 times 3. So we know if we'll try both. So if we tried 3 times 3 and we cross multiplied it, we would get 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 times 3, which is 3, and that would equal to 6 because we would be cross multiplying them. In the end, it would give us a 6. We don't want a 6, we want a 10. So we know automatically that it will be we're going to have to use the 9 instead. So it'd be 9 times 1. And that's actually going to cross multiply to give us 9 plus 1. And we do it diagonally. That's equal to 10. So our factor is going to look like x plus 9. And then x plus 1. And that's the factor for this question up above.